Get ready for explosive news. Shares of wireless chipmaker Qualcomm QCOM jumped 7.6% in the afternoon session following strong fiscal second quarter results and a tariff suspension that has fueled major analyst upgrades. We dive into the details of this massive stock surge right now.
Here's a simple way to protect your phone without stress. This ALIN 3-pack comes with tempered glass screen protectors, camera lens protectors, and an installation frame for an easier, cleaner fit. It's clear, case-friendly, and built to help guard against scratches and everyday bumps. Check the link in the comments to get it on Amazon.
Next up, we look at what the market is truly telling us about Qualcomm. We explore the implications of CEO Cristiano Amon's disclosure that Qualcomm's data center processors are slated for shipment to a major hyperscaler customer before the end of 2026, painting a picture of massive future AI demand. We also examine the record highs hitting for Qualcomm. Discover how investors are shifting focus away from handset prospects and zeroing in on the company's aggressive push into AI compute and data center chips, and the specific analyst calls that are driving this incredible momentum. And finally, we check the latest on Qualcomm stock activity. Find out exactly what is driving this incredible surge and what this means for your portfolio. Don't miss a second of this critical market update. Stay tuned. Qualcomm shares surged 7.6% in the afternoon session, driven by a confluence of strong fiscal performance, positive outlooks for its data center processors, and favorable developments regarding U.S.-China tariffs, prompting multiple analyst upgrades. The rally followed Qualcomm's April 29th earnings report, which exceeded Wall Street's revenue and profit expectations. Crucially, CEO Cristiano Amon disclosed that Qualcomm's data center processors are slated for shipment to a major hyperscaler customer before the end of 2026, significantly bolstering investor confidence in future AI-related demand. In response to this news, Wall Street sentiment became decidedly bullish. Daiwa Securities upgraded the stock from neutral to outperform, raising its price target to $225. Tigris Financial and Benchmark also increased their price targets for the stock. Market analysis suggests the current volatility is contextual. While today's move is significant, it does not fundamentally alter the market's long-term perception of the business. This follows a broader semiconductor sector rally, fueled by robust AI demand and a positive global sales forecast, with semiconductor sales projected to exceed $1 trillion this year. This demand is manifesting in tangible results, as evidenced by ChipMo's reporting a 32.2% year-over-year revenue increase, citing persistent AI-related demand imbalances. Furthermore, industry collaboration, such as advanced semiconductor engineering building new manufacturing facilities, underscores the escalating need for high-performance computing chips essential for advanced AI applications. Qualcomm has seen a remarkable year, rising 36.2% since the start of the year and hitting a new 52-week high at $235.65 per share. This growth has significantly impacted long-term investors, with early buyers seeing substantial gains. The underlying narrative remains strong, highlighted by the essential, often overlooked infrastructure supporting the AI boom, such as high-speed cables and power connectors, a domain where a key component provider maintains a significant advantage. Qualcomm stock has seen a significant surge, reportedly doubling in value, according to recent analysis from Zacks Investment Research. The article, dated May 11, 2026, by Ethan Feller, poses the critical question for investors. Is this a genuine breakout opportunity or a potential blow-off? The report highlights the current trading activity surrounding QCOM, alongside related stocks such as MU, Nvidia, SNDK, and AVGO, suggesting a dynamic market environment. This development signals heightened investor interest in the semiconductor sector, making the trajectory of Qualcomm's stock a key focus for market watchers and traders as they assess the sustainability of this rapid price increase. Qualcomm Incorporated surged on Monday, with shares climbing as much as 6.8% to reach an all-time peak of $247.62, driven by a significant pivot in investor focus toward the company's artificial intelligence and data center ambitions rather than its traditional smartphone segment. This shift has propelled Qualcomm higher alongside the broader semiconductor sector, which saw both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq hit new intraday highs, supported by major players like Nvidia and Micron. The rally signals a market willingness to embrace Qualcomm's strategy of focusing on AI compute, custom silicon, and data center chips, moving beyond its established identity as solely a smartphone chip manufacturer. This renewed interest is underscored by CEO Cristiano Amon's confirmation that Qualcomm's custom silicon partnership with a major hyperscaler is slated for initial shipments before year-end, a statement that immediately influenced the stock's trajectory. Qualcomm recently reported fiscal second quarter revenue of $10.6 billion and non-GAAP earnings of $2.65 per share, while also announcing the completion of $5.4 billion in buybacks and setting a new $20 billion repurchase authorization. Amon expressed confidence in an upcoming smartphone market rebound, suggesting the current low point has been reached based on licensing queues. While the data center strategy is in its nascent stages, Qualcomm is actively developing CPUs, inference accelerators, and application-specific integrated circuits tailored for specific tasks. Analyst commentary has been mixed. Daiwa Securities upgraded the stock to outperform, citing potential in revenue growth and upcoming investor day details focusing on data center CPUs and edge AI. However, concerns persist regarding near-term guidance, as the company's current quarter revenue projection fell short of analyst estimates, and J.P. Morgan analysts remain cautious about the smartphone sector due to memory shortages. Despite these headwinds, Qualcomm remains active in the mobile space, having recently launched the Snapdragon 6 Gen 5 and Snapdragon 4 Gen 5 platforms, with expected device launches from partners like Honor, Oppo, Realme, and REDMI anticipated in the second half of 2026. Investors are currently betting on a combination of a phone chip recovery, increased buybacks, and early data center sales to realize a broader turnaround, pending concrete performance metrics from management. Qualcomm stock is experiencing a significant surge, with shares climbing by 8.53%. This upward movement was noted in the afternoon trading prices recorded on May 9, 2026. The information regarding this stock performance was featured in a video published on May 11, 2026, according to analysis from The Motley Fool.